गोवा वेंचणूक आयोगान अंदूच्या 2017च्या वेंचणुके खातीर नवीन इलेक्ट्रॉनिक मतदान यंत्रां हाडल्यात. सुप्रीम कोर्टाच्या निर्देशा प्रमाण नवीन मतदान यंत्रां येता त्या वेंचणुकेंत वापरतले. आतां मतदान यंत्रा वरवीं कोणाक मतदान केलां ताची स्लीप पळोवपाक मेळटली आनी ती स्लीप बंद पेटयेंत घालची पडटली. तशेंच ह्या विशीं सामान्य जनतेक जागरूक करपाक मार्गदर्शन करतले, अशी माहिती उत्तर गोंय कलेक्टर आग्नेल फेर्नांडीस हांणी दिल्या. RDX खातीर पणजेच्यान गौतम शिरोडकार.
We are going to deploy an electromechanical device. This is called VVPAT. That full form is Voter Verifiable Paper Audit Trail. So this particular device we are going to deploy for the first time in Goa. Releasing the ballot by pressing this button. Okay. So the ballot is received. Now busy button is coming. Okay. Similarly, this also is ready to accept the vote. Okay. And here also you will see this particular status displaying. Here also there is a busy is coming. Okay. So now this particular time it inform the VVPAT. Yes, someone is going to cast the vote. Okay. So now the elector is coming. So he or she is pressing as per the choice. Okay. I'm just pressing this. Okay. See here you will get the vote. So against which serial number? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Sixth serial number the vote is being casted. So this is the end-to-end verifiability. Okay. So this gives the voter a confidence that yes, I have voted for my preferred person and that has been visually recorded. Okay. And later on in case of anything that can be verified also.
And if there are some small minor problems, we'll rectify it immediately.
Regarding the awareness of this
Awareness, we're going to start awareness at all levels. We already written to Director Panchayat and various other GICDC everywhere. And we're going to have TV, advertisements on TVs, on newspapers, mass media, everywhere. And plus we're going village to village. Every village will be having demonstration. And again on request of various sarpanchis and all, we'll be having a second demonstration just to educate the voters. But we'll make sure, we'll ensure that no voter will be left out. No voter will be left ignorant of this.
Did any political party raise apprehension that the ruling party is using state machinery to influence the voters?
State machinery is being utilized by the Election Commission, not by political parties. And we are going on the instructions only of Election Commission of India, not anybody else. Political parties have got no say.
Concern raised by the political party in your meeting or prior to this?
Their concern raised for them only because of malfunctioning, the shortage of time. Because till the time the machine is replaced, there may be some time factor.